Hi students, how are you? Hope you all doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School welcomes you for online class. Today we are going to see about Introduction to Windows XP session 3, and this is your final session for chapter 2. In this session, we are going to continue with our last topic, Windows XP bars and buttons, right? Under Windows XP bars and buttons, we are going to discuss 3 topics. One is how to scroll around a window, how to change size of a window, how to switch between windows. These are 3 things which we are going to discuss for this session, the final session. Scrolling around a window. Can you see this picture? Yes. So in this picture, can you compare the how to scroll at the right side information given? Can you see the up arrow which is used to scroll up, down arrow used to scroll down. Next, how to scroll one page at a time. There is a double upper arrow and then double down arrow. Can you see? So this is scroll one page at a time. It is upwards, and next one is scroll down one page at a time, downwards. Is clear? Right. Next, there is a round button that is used to open a browse menu. For example, if we have any doubt at the time, we can click that one, so we can open our browser to search for Google Chrome any information. Clear, students? Yes. What are the 4 scroll keys are there? Scroll up, scroll up one page at a time, scroll down one page at a time, and then to open a browse menu. These are the 5 things about scroll around a window. Are you clear with all the 5 things? Can you see the picture? Right. Next, how to change the size of a window. Yes, can you see the picture? See the top corner, right corner of the picture. Can you see double-headed arrow? So when you take your mouse pointer over any corner of the window, the mouse pointer will change like this into double-headed arrow. So at that time, you can use your mouse, give a left click, hold and drag up to which you want. You can drag here and there, whichever you want, yes, and release your mouse button. So your window size will be changed as what you like. Clear? So how to change the size of a window? Move the mouse pointer to any of the corner of the window. The mouse pointer changes to double-headed arrow. Click, hold and drag you want, and then release. At last, the third topic, switch between windows. For example, you can open more than one program. For example, you want Paint, you can open. You want Games, you can open. You want to open Gallery, you can open. Right? After opening, if you want Microsoft Word, you can open. So after opening, down the taskbar, can you see multiple windows are open? It will be showing in a small rectangle. Right? So in that, whichever application you want, you can click any application. For example, sometimes you can work with Paint. Sometimes you can work with WordPad. So like this, you can alternatively open, because it is all available in the taskbar. Whichever the application are open, it will be available in the taskbar. So this is the concept of switch between windows. Clear, students? Next comes the 1 mark question. Match the following. I think you are able to answer, right? Answers given at the bottom itself, so you can check your answers. Next is the 2 mark question. The same thing which we have discussed in this video, the same question is asked for you. Yes, kindly note down the question, study, yes, and post back in your corresponding group. Hey students, it's time to say bye bye. Take care.